Hello everyone, so here is this app called Rethink, and yeah, so I think it was featured on Shark Tank, and the idea is it tries to fight with cyberbullying. So this is basically a keyboard which you can just open, um, go to settings, go to general keyboard, choose add new keyboard, choose Rethink keyboard, done with settings, and then just select Rethink keyboard. So let's try to do that. So here is settings, just go to keyboard, keyboards, add new keyboard, and then you have here Rethink keyboard, and then you added that. And then so here's that, and then when you try to type something, here is Rethink keyboard. I don't know, and then if you write something like that, where you have some words which are not the greatest, then the app will just notify you that don't say things that you may regret later. And then you just tap OK. So anytime you're using this app to text, to message with people, and all of that, it will be super useful to have this keyboard installed, and then this keyboard can just basically notify you every time. Should you send this message? Are you sure you want to send it? Because in some apps, I don't know, maybe it's not possible to delete the message. Maybe that message will be viewed by the other person, and it can do a lot of damage. So that's why Rethink app is a really cool idea, just to use it. And so that's super cool. So there you have it. Then you have all this settings in the keyboard. You can switch it back off, and then you can switch it like that. So that's the idea. So that's why that app went viral. It was featured on Shark Tank. I think it's it should there should be some improvements, and it should be polished, but the core idea is super cool. So that's that. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please visit mrhack.io website, and see you in the next videos.